welcome to Solution News Inside Campus. I'm your host Alia Anjum from the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism. Today I bring you the latest update on Logroi Memorial Lecture at Salesian Auditorium organized by the Department of Philosophy, Salesian College Sonada. News in detail by Drishya Rai.
On 14th of March 2024, the Department of Philosophy from Salesian College Sonada organized Logroi Memorial Lecture on Importance of Social Capital for Success in the Field of Education for Marginalizing People by Dr. Frederick Carqueta, researcher and an alumnus of Salesian College Sonada. The program commenced with the speech by Brother from the Department of Philosophy delving into the academic discourse on Dalits. The program was hosted for the remembrance of late Father Nicholas Logroi. Vice Principal Father Nirmal Topo, Dr. Frederick Carqueta and Brother Johnny Sar inaugurated the program by lighting up the candle. Father Rector Dr. James Chaco paid homage to the portrait and extended a warm welcome to our guest speaker. Father Dr. James Chaco then shared some insights about Dr. Frederick Carqueta's work. Father C.J. Matthew offered traditional khada to the guests. The event commenced with the lecture by Dr. Frederick Carqueta exploring the dynamics of social capital and education. The Dean of Arts, Dr. Terence Mukhia, delivered a brief speech on the theme Marginalized People. Students from various departments actively engaged and participated in the stimulating question and answer session. Brother Octopol from the Department of Philosophy concluded the event with vote of thanks.
That's all for today. See you in another episode of Inside Campus with camera person Anjal Chhetri. I'm your host Alia Anjum for Inside Campus. Thank you.